Hi, this is Andrew, and welcome to my living room, where I always get sometimes busy. Sorry for the mess and the rest shit if you notice something, but today I want to talk about the small server upgrades. First, to get this one for the maintenance. Finally arrived some hard drives and some 24 gigs of RAM, and I need to put it in here and finish with the small project. This is the HP model 360 generation 7. It's hard to see, but here it is, G7. It is in the work condition. It's running the Windows 2012 R2. It is using for the virtualization, of course, so they need some little bit more RAM and the hard drive. And a little bit sorry for the video quality. My phone is dead, so I'm filming with the action cam for now. And I need to put it in, and some sticks of RAM. So let's start. I hope it will work, because I actually got them free, like the biggest one, the 3.5 series, and one was dead. One actually was dead. This one is working. It's all for the servers, and the second one here is totally dead. If you wanna hear it, this is a good noise. It has a crack on the corner. Nice sound. So back to the server. Oh, sorry. Sometimes I forget that I have only one hand, so it is HP original 300 GB series SAS connection 2.5. Oh, come on, there you go. And just plug it in. Hope it is in the work condition, not like in that hard drive. I hope it will be enough. So let's open it. There will be also a small review of it, if you like it, of course. But for now I just will show just a small upgrade. Just remove the cover. It has two Xeon 6-core CPUs. For now just unplug the flash, because it sometimes gets in. And don't forget about the static, otherwise you can kill something. Where is my phone when I always need it? Just a second. This is a free. Give me the green memory blocks, and I was cheated and already installed some a little bit nice dusty for 2 days. By the way, they're all the same, and the part number is the same, so don't blame me. These are 8 GB blocks if something. They have the same part number, so they will have to fit, I guess, without any problem. But this dust. And the last one will be here. And that's all for now. Hope it will work. Oh, this is the battery for the right controller, so oh, come on. I, as mentioned before, a little bit sorry for the shaking video quality. And let's put some cover back. That's it for now. Just need to plug the VGA, some power, and check if it still works. Give me that. All live. Trying to restore some laptop batteries, so I don't need it, so as I mentioned before, sorry for the mess, and I need a second hand now, or I don't need it. Let's plug it here. Oops, wrong hole. Plug some power. Power! And let's see if it boots. There's a green light blinking, so probably will be okay. and see if it posts. Sorry for the dust, because I'm working sometimes hard. What's that sound? These two is an SSD drives. The Intel series for the data center. And it's alive! The bottom one is mine. The top one I get something like a little bit work with the server stuff, and the rest. Now it's testing the memory. It should test the memory. And yep, it is working all. Because the server, the 316 series has internal test for the memory. If it will not post, it will show with the memory block is dead, and the same stuff, plus it will show the same information in the monitor. If you want to see how it boots, just leave it for now, and you will see. But I don't know about the hard drive, is it okay or if it's a bad one. Because there is no light on it at all. Well, the OS is booting. And here it is. This is my cat. Say hi. Now let's see if it's all working. Oh no, 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 no. It's a little bit hard to type with one hand. Here the server management comes in, and let's see what it will show for now. And here it is, 48 gigs of RAM. And let's see if it will get another hard drive. I will type my secret password. And let's see where the support. No, it will be the web app. So site diagnostics. It will take some time. Oh, the camera's battery soon will be dead. That's not good. So, come on, I won't shoot, I promise. And here's the all specs of the server. The memory install. No errors, no errors, no errors. That's good. And here it is. As I can see, 300 gigabytes SSD, full SSD, sorry, SAS drive in the 10Ks. And just need to initialize the controller. That's odd. That's odd. It seems like I'm not installed, but okay. As I can see the hard drive is working. As you can see to it, how it is here. I need just to initialize it. I don't want it, but okay. Manage configuration. No. Okay, thanks for the review. This is all for now. If you like my videos, please like it. If you don't know, sorry. That is always first time. And thanks for watching. See ya.